Honorable Ekini the doctor. Honorable Ekini the doctor. Hey.
Oh, yeah, but it is the mark of manhood in my community. I don't know why I need a mobile. Before the 8th grade, you have village one project. I don't know, we are the guys that yes, so we are celebrating. So from today, in our balance, you will find your money.
Okay, that is very good. So,
PDP made me proud today. My local government executive, my ward chairman, and all party faithfuls, in short, I couldn't make a say higher. And I'll never forget them. I will from time to time remember today for them.
That's good.
I don't know like that.
That's good. That's good. As we are more about that, because I have never known how to do it. We have a case when we're ambassador. Because now, open matter. So I want to say that you were the so that when we go now,
I'll make an oil blazzer whereby that's what is green. I open up about that.
Lord of peace. Lord of peace. Lord of peace. You're welcome.
So,
the council chairman. The council chairman. Manager by council chairman. Ni ye yo ye. Ya na ta mala de lo mo. Oye be class. Oye be ki ya. Or sa ko no no lu jo yo mo. Jo mo nti. Tinda ga ju ya bankata. Atum na ya no ja. Atum na no last forever. Because of the hot. He brings himself down. That is humility personified. But that's our local government chairman. Short it is work. So
I went on the Naya Castle Chairman. I'm a Castle Chairman. Look, I got every candidate. This is a Castle Chairman.
Grace of God. But those attitudes, I want all prayers for more grace.
Thank you so much.